Alan Milinazzo, it's been a rough year for shareholders in InspireMD. That said, you say the third quarter was a turning point and you expect big things in 2015. Why is that?
Three reasons. In the third quarter, we actually returned to the market commercially in Europe, which is a big plus for us in terms of getting back to commercial activities. The second is we released information about our new next generation platform with a drug on it. And then finally, we released information about a brand new platform going from coronary and adding the carotid stent market, which is another $500 million market opportunity for us. Our data presented in September was as good as it can get.
There's a lot of stents in the market. Why are yours better?
Great question. Stents are really designed to reopen the vessel. When you have a heart attack and your vessel is closed, stents are designed to reopen the vessel. Our stent does two things. Our stent reopens the vessel, but at the same time, it captures the material that could be released when you open the vessel. In fact, just today, we announced another randomized clinical trial where we have had a better mortality rate. The patients who received our stent versus a conventionally designed stent actually had a better survival rate at 30 days. Very important. Additionally, our stent also reduces the size of the heart attack. So if you're fortunate enough to survive the heart attack, you want as little damage to the heart muscle as you can. So our stent also reduces the size of the heart attack. This data is very fresh and we're very excited.
And you said you recently regained European regulatory approval for your M-Guard stent. So what kind of orders are you getting? What can you expect for Q1 2015?
Yeah, what we're starting to see as we go back into the market, we're starting to see the traditional markets ramp up their orders. And we have new markets where we have direct sales representatives, and we're starting to see the order rate from those new hospitals actually increasing. So although it's been slower, just because inventory is going back into the market, all the metrics we look at tell us the utilization is going up.
And you recently raised $8 million in capital. Is this enough to tide you over until you get profitable, which will be when?
Profitability is probably a little further into 2016. But for us, in the short term, this gives us enough runway for catalysts. This is a technology that's going to allow us to really reach some very big markets. On the coronary side, it's a $1.8 billion market. The new carotid market's $500 million. We have partnerships that are essentially moving along that will allow us to work with some of the established companies that give them a brand new technology that also bring capital into the company.
All right, thanks a lot, Alan.
Thanks a lot, Greg.
And thank you for watching The Street.